Hi guys, this is Miss Pineda, your school counselor. I have a new activity for you this week. The Read Aloud book is called Worry Says What by Allison Edwards. I'm also including some activities that you can do. If you do, go ahead and complete those. You can email them to me at jcpineda@laredoisd.org. Also, remember that sometimes we do feel worried, and there are some breathing techniques that we can use whenever we feel worried. So, one of the ones that we have done before is the birthday candle. I know you fourth and fifth graders know the birthday candle. And the way it works is if you pretend you have a birthday cake in front of you and your candle. And so you go like this. And you can do three repeats of that. You can also do the puffer fish, which is also kind of the same thing. The puffer fish is like a puffer fish that we've seen in cartoons and movies. And so what you do is you breathe in and then breathe out. And the same thing goes with this one. You repeat it 3 times or as many times as you need to. These can help us when we're feeling a little bit overwhelmed, when we're feeling a little worried. And that's why I chose this book for you this week. So watch the read aloud, do the activity, and you can email it to me, jcpineda@laredoisd.org. I love you guys. I miss you. We'll see you later. Thanks.